Good morning, everyone! I hope you had a nice holiday. This term, you will work in groups on a small project. Create a story. You can write it or draw it. But you must work together. Peter, you will work with Maya and Lucas. So, what kind of story should we make? Maybe something simple. I like drawing. I like drawing, yeah. Wow, you're really good.
Yes, transcription, yes, Sam.
Let's make a comic book. What are you drawing? A city.
Because it's made of candy. Because it's made of candy.
Candy City. Kids and families. Out. What about that big building? Oh. That's the chocolate factory.
An old man owns it.
He makes chocolate for everyone. Let's plan it. That's planet. We hoggerty vit sanko bret itskat. Page 1, Candy City. Page 2, The Factory. Page 3, The Hero. Who is the hero?
A boy like us.
What if someone greedy wants the factory?
Then the city is in danger. The boy must stop him! At home. Oh. Focus on your studies first. Okay. The next day.
Peter, we need to talk.
Our parents want us to focus on studying.
Think focus on studying.
Maybe we should finish quickly.
Oh, Dad.
Just something simple. Okay. Chia Gray. Sirwar. Shugai. Peter draws alone. No lights. No candy.
The bad bad man wins.
The hero is alone.
The next morning. You forgot your bag.
Oh, your drawing? We saw your drawings.
He was alone.
That's my knight.
Not anymore.
Oh, we zijn nog on top of the prison so guys here in Thin Sen.
A knight should never fight alone. Whoa! Whoa! Why did you draw yourselves? Because every hero needs help.
Thank you for coming back.
The bad man takes the factory.
Candy City becomes dark and quiet.
Then 3 knights return together.
They run around the city.
The bad man is big but slow.
They trick him with a huge donut.
The donut falls. He gets stuck. I'm sorry. I don't down any fat time but we need down by.
I was greedy. I was greedy. The factory opens again. Candy returns. The city is happy. Presentation day.
This is our story. This is our story. The Candy City and the 3 Knights.
Andy tastes best when everyone shares it. Very well done. We received an email. Worm. Oh. Huh. A publisher wants to meet this group. Really? Nellie! Yes! They worked very hard.